Mahjong ladies are just pulling up. So I'm going to show you real quick. There goes Goosie up the stairs. Go get your daddy. A little pan around here of my Santa in the sleigh. And of course, this is the Mahjong table. I will ask them if we can take a picture when it's all set up. Otherwise, I'll do it after they leave because respecting privacy here. There's my Christmas tree with the runners and table thingies on it. We'll go all over there in a little bit.
Yeah. Granted.
Hello, everybody. Joni, video, we're playing Mahjong.
Oh.
Well, now that you... Marilee is over here, and she is my colorful girl. I love her. Oh, and look at this. What she's showing you is every place with a dot on there, she's won. Because she's... She puts a dot next to it. And this is Linda, my neighbor, who invited me to join this group.
Okay.
And so, and that's Joni. So thank you for one. This is a problem when you mahjong.
Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, la, la.
So I hope you all enjoyed this little video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye now.